This is Helpscreenand this is how to change your Starbucks email address. So this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So guys, first thing that you need to do is open up the browser on your mobile device or your PC. And now guys, just type on the URL starbucks.com and this will be their homepage. And once you are on their homepage, guys, make sure to sign in or log in with your Starbucks account. And then from there, click on the account on the top right corner of the screen. And then after that, guys, a drop down will pop up. And then go ahead and tap on the settings. And then from there, it will redirect you to another page. And from there, you will see your email address and just tap on edit beside your email address. And then after that, just provide your new email address and just tap on save. And there you go. From there, you will be able to change your Starbucks email address. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!